Hello, third grade, and welcome to the first part of our math skill for today. There will be two parts. We'll practice addition and subtraction in the second part. In this part, we're going to be working on word problems and deciding if it is a addition or a subtraction word problem. This afternoon, we will be taking our addition and subtraction word problem Edulastic quiz. So for our homework yesterday, we identified words that tell us if we have to add or subtract. I have this key up here in the corner. If we see the words in all, add, altogether, total, plus, join, both, sum, more, or combined, that would be addition. If we see words like difference, remain, fewer, how many more, take away, are left, less, or minus, it would be subtraction. If there are none of these words, then we need to use our inferences to decide if it's adding or subtracting. We will do some of these together, and we will answer it all the way. We will also do some and just identify if it is a addition or subtraction problem. Let's go ahead and begin. Paul received a box of, we're going to use cubes to help us here, 39 crayons for his birthday. At the end of the school year, he only had 134 left. Oh my, I see one of those keywords. Are left. So I'm going to box that. That is a keyword that I would box. How many crayons had been lost or given away? Underline my question. Now, when we normally do our problem solving, we box our keyword. The part we're going to be adding is then identifying what it means. So left means subtract. So I will need to subtract 479 minus 134. If you need to pause the video to catch up with me, please pause the video. Now I always start in the ones place. 9 minus 4 is 5. 7 minus 3 is 4. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So there are 345 crayons. Always need to say what they are. Crayons left. Now you might want to zoom in a little more so you have more space, but we're going to keep on moving. For the second one, we are just going to identify what it is. For the rest of the assignment, if it is an even number, that means 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, then we will answer it fully. Oh, I did this backwards. If it's odd, we'll answer it fully. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Even numbers, we will only identify the operation. Operation just means addition or subtraction. That would be 2, 4, 6, and 8. So for number 2, we are just going to identify if it is addition or subtracting using cubes. So I'll circle my important numbers and read through the question. 179 birds were sitting in a tree. 38 more, that's a keyword, birds flew up to the tree. How many birds were, I see another keyword, all together on the tree? I'll look back up in my diagram, and all together is an addition word because I'm adding these two birds together that are in the tree. So that makes sense. I'll write out my problem. 179 plus 38. And that's all I'm going to do. So I can showing that it is an addition problem. And we're going to keep on going. I could write addition right here. Pause the video if you need to catch up. Number 3. Cindy's mom baked 1,215 cookies. Paul's dad baked 1,112 cookies. They both brought them to school for a party. How many cookies did they have all together? Circle my important numbers. Underline my question. That's a whole lot of cookies, holy moly. And that's 1,215 plus 1,112. Write that out. And we'll add it up starting with the ones place. 5 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 1 plus 1 is 2. Add my comma between my thousands and hundreds. Now the last one we will do together is number 4. You will do number 5 and number 6 on your own. Number 6, just label if it is addition or subtraction and box the keyword. In number 5, you will have to answer it out, as well as boxing the keywords. I'm actually going to box a keyword here and tell you what it is. How many more means subtract. Do not forget that how many more or how much more means subtract. Final one we're going to do is identify if this is an addition or a subtraction problem. Beth has 106 crayons. She gives 54 of them away to Jen. How many crayons does Beth have left? See that key word. Circle my important numbers. If she gave them away, that means that you are subtracting. All right, once you are finished with number 5 and number 6, you can go ahead on to part 2.